What's up, guys? Just wanted to put out a quick follow-up video that I had did last time regards to the custom 3D printed mount I had ordered from shapeways.com. The mount is holding up very well. I'm very satisfied with it. Very confident that it's going to stay on there securely and won't have to worry about it falling off. That being said, today's video I just wanted to address the issue I had on trying to find where to mount my microphone adapter. As everyone knows, with the Hero 5s and above, you have to order this adapter, pretty much better known as the brick. A lot of people end up mounting it on the side, which is, their choice. But the reason I didn't do it was because some of the follow-up videos that I've seen, because of the material that this adapter is made out of, the Velcro just does not adhere as well to it, and regardless of them utilizing pretty strong Velcro, it ends up falling off, or the wind ends up kind of pulling it off anyway. So my solution, in my previous video I had talked about utilizing this tether just until I was pretty confident that the mount was going to hold up well, and it does. It's fine. I'm very satisfied with it. Again, have no issues with it. So instead of taking the tether off, I just ended up tucking the pack right behind there, and it's holding up very well. It's nice and tight. It's got a lot of tension on it, so I'm confident it's not going to fall out of there. And then I ran the microphone cable from the other side and through the helmet. So that was my solution. It's fairly clean, I feel. Yeah, I'm sure it's going to do its job. So next, obviously, it's going to be to test the video sound quality, make sure there's no issues with any pinch wires or anything, and see how that tether holds that back in place. So I'll put out another follow-up video once I can get a ride in with it, with this setup, and we'll take it from there. Thanks for watching.